welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I am super excited to start my mortgage payoff series. Yes, I'm going to start it right now in January, but I'm not going to be too aggressive because we have some windows that we need to pay off. They're like $7,800, but I am going to go ahead and get started with my mortgage payoff series. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and my husband and I are what we call consumer debt free because we always have a plan to pay off our debt. So we try not to let debt linger long. So that's why I still feel like I can say we are consumer debt free except for the mortgage. So we followed the Dave Ramsey snowball method to pay off over $15,000 in credit cards. We paid off car loans, all that kind of stuff, especially back when they were giving out the stimulus checks. That's what we were doing. We were paying off car loans and building up our savings accounts. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my plans, what my plans are as far as paying off our mortgage. So this is a mortgage. I'm married, but I already had this mortgage before I met my husband. So that's why I feel comfortable enough to show you real numbers, because we do plan to buy a bigger home after we pay this one off, but we'll revisit that idea because we both have some health issues, so we'll see. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I plan to do is, I'm gonna write it down on paper. The first thing I plan to do, well, I've already done it, to pay off my mortgage, I'm gonna have to write to the side, is number one, I refinanced a 30-year mortgage into, well, I guess you could say into a 15-year mortgage. So I knocked off a lot of years by doing that. I did it back earlier this year when the interest rate was very low. At the time that I did it, my interest rate was 5%, and now it's 2.5%. And what I did was left it at 15 years so that my payment would be the same, and I shaved off some years. So that's the first way that I don't know why the focus is going in and out. Let me check this focus and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So that's the first thing I did, is went to a 15-year mortgage with a 2.5% interest rate. Okay, so that's the first thing I did. The second thing I'm doing is I have my mortgage with Wells Fargo. I went and got a amortization schedule, and all that is just, you know, whatever your balance is, you just tell the associate when you want to pay it off. I told her to do it for 1 year. Yes, I'm stretching it, but I just wanted to see how much I can get paid off in 1 year. Because we have some health conditions, I wanted to kind of push myself, so I did mine for 1 year. And I'm getting ready to show you some real numbers. Ms. V usually don't show real numbers on her channel, but for the benefit of paying this off, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show some real numbers. So hold on a minute. This is it. This is my mortgage. I owe, well, we owe, I keep saying I, $81,859.60, and our payment right now is $711.69. So I originally refinanced it for $85,000. So I have a good little amount of equity in this home. So these are the numbers. So they printed it out for 1 year for me. So I would have to pay approximately $6,000 and something a month towards the principal. Now keep in mind that I am a traveling respiratory therapist, and there are assignments out there where I could get, the assignments are range that I've seen range anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 a week. So they did have an assignment where you make like $7,500 a week. I could get one of those assignments and really knock this principal down. But being that I just started traveling and I want to stay close to my family, I'm not going to get one of those large traveling assignments right now. Now, by the time we get to the end of 2022 now, I may pick up one of them just to knock these principles down. So yeah, so this is it. So it just tells you how much interest you'll pay and all that stuff. So that's my interest rate, 2.5%. Okay, so we did that. So that's the second strategy. Kind of know how much I need to pay to get it down. Amortization schedule. And the third thing that I plan to do is what I just said. Continue to travel. So at the time of this video, I just signed a new traveling contract, and it is for a generous amount. So yeah, we're gonna see how much I have to put towards the mortgage each week. Continue to travel. So by continuing to travel, I tripled my income. So that's gonna help a lot. And I tripled my income and stayed on same budget. So all the extra money I make is for us to, you know, it's for us. I did not we did not go out and get new vehicles or bought a new house or any of that just because I tripled my income. So that's the goal. So I want to keep that same mindset. So that's the third thing I'm doing. I signed a new traveling contract for 13 weeks. So that's about 3 months. So I kind of know how much I'll be able to pay every week, but we'll see. Because God may say something different. So yeah, so that's next thing. The third thing I'm going to do to help pay off the mortgage is I signed that contract. And the next thing I'm going to do is, which is obvious, I'm going to increase side income to apply to the mortgage. And my side income is I have a part-time job, and my goal is to work that at least twice a month. I have a part-time job. I have a website where I sell craft items, and yes, let me show you some of them. I sell the you can call them keychains or you can call them binder charms. So I sell these to go on your binders. I just put a few more extra charms on mine. I will start offering more charms by the time you see this video. So binder charms, keychains, and I got some new items to put up. Is Minnie Mouse. So you can get this personalized. You can use this as a binder charm, or you can use it as a keychain. So that's one, and this is one. So yeah, and I'm gonna be adding new things to the website. Yes, so work a minimum of 2 days at my part-time job and try to increase my sales in my website, and you know, just work on my side hustle, sponsorships. I'm getting a lot of, not a lot, but I'm getting more offers for sponsorships, and I need to work on my affiliate links. So I just need to have some extra money coming in because I am serious about paying this mortgage off. I was already serious, but now that I have a health condition, which I'll make a video later, I'm really serious. So yeah, so that's number 4. And the last thing I'm going to do, this is just going to help me keep myself accountable for paying the mortgage off, is I am going to do a quarterly update to tell you about any changes. I'll let you know what worked for me and what did not work. Quarterly update on mortgage payoff. And if there are any changes at the end of the quarter, so I'll let you know then. So this is January, February, March. So I do a quarterly update in March. Then January, February, March. Then April, May, June. In September, and then of course in December. So that'll be, those will be the updates. So these are the 5 things that I'm doing to pay off my mortgage. I'm gonna attempt to pay it off in a year, so we'll see. So if you know, if you've someone who's paid off a mortgage before and you have some more tips, my ears are open. You're never too motivated to learn from someone else. So yeah, so these are the 5 things Miss V is gonna be doing to pay off her mortgage. So stay tuned. So remember this number: $81,859.60. So remember that number on January 3rd, 2022. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys. And the 6th thing that I'm doing to pay off my mortgage is I picked up these cute little trackers from Budgeting the Bacon. She is also on a journey to pay off her mortgage. Go check out her channel. Tell her Miss V sent you. And also Plan Your One Life with Britt. She's paying off her mortgage also. Go over and show these ladies some love. Yeah. So yeah, this little tracker, it has the houses, and I put my balance right there, $81,860. This is the year 2022, but it has 2 years worth of houses, so we'll see how that goes. And I also got these trackers. So each house here that you're putting your money into is going to be worth $550. And as I, pay $550 just towards the mortgage, not my monthly mortgage payment, I'll color in or check off or mark out one of these houses. And there are 50 houses on here, so 50 times 550, it comes to $27,500, and that's on all 3 of these trackers. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do 27,500 times 3 is 82,500, and my balance is 81,000 and some change. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm going to make a weekly principal payment, even if it's just $50, just to knock down the interest weekly. So that's it. These are the 6 things. Let me add that to my list. I forgot about that tracker. Yeah, this is the 6th thing that I'm going to be doing. So these are the 6 things, tracking my progress. That really helps me because I love, I'm a visual person, and I love to see things on paper. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude my video. I hope you guys follow along in my journey. If you have any tips, please let me know. Yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Look at this number, because you won't see this number for long. Yes. So let's get it. I've already signed up for me some days at my part-time job. We finna do this. Yay! Know you're adult if you're excited about paying off debt. Yeah. Have a good day.